a question that is so powerful. I want you guys to think of questions that are helping you. But anytime somebody gives you a date, give us a call October 3rd. Follow back with me second week of next month. Give me a call next Tuesday. I want to sign up for your services, but I can't do it until September 19th. Anytime you ask for a date or somebody's given you a date, you need to, whenever you hear the date, have a little Matt Easton pop up on your shoulder. What makes that date important? Right? Now, if you want to put a softener in front of it, just out of curiosity, what makes that date important? Hey, we're going to get the contract signed. Shoot something back to me February 12th. February 12th, got it. Just out of curiosity, what makes that date important? Oh man, we have to have everything set up by the 12th because we got our board coming in here and they're doing a QBR on the 12th, and we got to have all of our ducks in the row. Got it. Now, if you said that you got to have everything set up by the 12th, should we get this going a little bit sooner? Right? Oh yeah, I didn't think about that, right? And the other nice thing is maybe they don't know anything, right? Give me a call May the 4th. May the 4th, just out of curiosity, what makes that date important? I don't know. May the 4th be with you. You know, now you know that this is a prospect that's maybe not as solid as the person that's like, I have to have this done by the 12th. Anytime you hear a date, follow up with what makes that date important, right? What date do you need to sell your house by? We'd like to sell it by the 3rd week of November. Got it. What makes that date important, right? What date do you need to buy a house by? What date do you need this software up and running by? January 3rd. What makes that date important? Anytime you hear a date, follow up with the power question of what makes that date important. You're going to get a lot more information.